Hi guys! Kumusta? So, I'm with Yubi and Neil. We're doing some... Ano lagay niya? Yung mga friends ko sila dito sa Chicago. Si Yubi, ano to, from Baltimore ko pa lang siya simula nakilala.
Yeah,
And then I met Neil through him.
I think I met John through Chris.
Yes, we get together.
Yes, man, happy Thanksgiving to you both.
Post-Thanksgiving.
Post Thanksgiving. Even though we're very far from home, but this is our home now, right? So home away from home.
Yes.
Yep. So I invited them here dito sa bahay ko.
Fruit cocktail, graham crackers, nestle cream for the fillings, along with some condensed milk or fresh milk.
So, I guess this is a great opportunity to actually, like, if you guys have friends and I'm single, I'm... Pwede ba yun?
Sige, sinabi mo rin.
Pwede ba yun?
Unless ayaw mong sabihin yun.
Wow. Wow.
So single po siya. Si Yubi taken na. Ilang years na kayo?
8 years.
8 years na. So
Yeah.
wala nang pwedeng mag-ano-ano dyan.
And if you guys are coming to Chicago, let us know. We would like to be the one to show you this around the city of
Yes.
Chicago with the help of Neil and John.
So, kailangan...
So kasi guys, lagi ko silang niyayaya na mag-TikTok kapag magkakasama kami. Kasi kaya lang, medyo shy sila. Pero tignan nyo naman, oh, very telegenic, right? Oh, ang ganda-ganda ng register sa video, tapos ayaw na samahan. So sabi ko, when you come to my party, let's do this in person.
Then I'll put the
Tapos another
fruit salad.
layer. Day-to-day activity ko.
Ako ba?
I mean,
Man.
bihira na
Well-
tayo lumabas because of all these hot shits.
I know. I'm gonna stay home, be safe, and still surround with good people,
Yes.
and always think of the good things and the bad things.
Yes.
Stay positive.
Stay positive kasi mahirap din dito sa lugar na hindi natin kinalakihan na mag-isa ka lang. Malungkot. Pero minsan, hindi.
Wow. And then, hindi na masyado. I see. Okay.
Galing na.
So bilang ikaw yung may matagal na relationship dito, so
Kailangan
anong
sa
mga
hot
wisdom
seat.
mo for all the singles out there and the ones that are attached already?
Live life, continue living. No hesitations. Keep going forward. Compromise? Compromise.
Talaga, compromise.
I think that's a bad word, right?
Na ako, okay ako. Okay ako.
Not compromise. I say
Meet up.
meet halfway and open communication always. If you have disagreements or arguments, you should always talk and not let it.
And listen, trust.
Oh yeah, you have to give trust all the time. Don't just let it be and sa'yo yun uuwi yun no matter what.
Eh, wow. Sa'yo uuwi. Masarap pakinggan.
Basta talagang sa'yo pa upo.
Oo, kasi yun lang yun.
Bilang single, ano naman masasabi ko sa mga single?
Sa mga single,
So far, what have you learned about getting into a relationship or dating? Or...
no, ako bilang single for how many years now? I think ang exactly yung sinabi mo, walang hesitations dapat.
So
dapat nag-take ka na ng risk.
Always take your risk if you see someone na gusto mo. Give the phone number, communicate, say hi. Don't just leave the place without saying hi. Kasi you will not see the person again.
Something, go ahead and say it.
If you want to approach someone, go. But you have to be prepared for rejection. Kasi most people, they don't want that feeling and they just don't want to do it. Yes, you have to just keep on trying. Tama ba?
Pero ako sasabihin ko din, mag-take ka din ng rest.
Ay, wow.
Kasi nakakapagod.
Hindi
Hindi ko pa
That's
pinost
based on my experience.
Hindi ko pa pinost mo to sa YouTube. Ang daming mga magsasubscribe. So,
Meron ka ba channel? Meron? Okay.
ako meron. Gusto mo ano ko na subscribe.
I mean, okay lang ako ng 20s as long as parang career. Yung
sense of maturity.
may ambition. So,
Yes, definitely.
No?
You
Parang yun.
You have to have someone who's like matino.
Long-term
Hindi yung basta, doesn't do much or...
I think something, how do you keep the music playing, di ba?
Ang mami. Kasi 8 years siya.
How do you keep the music playing?
Ito na lang. Meron bang point in that 8 years na parang na-shape yan? You don't have to...
Because I always tell him that we are a team and we will have, see what's, the future holds for us. Kasi mga scripted, talaga kasi kita kami. Pero, alam mo, actually I don't, I take every, I don't take things for granted. So I appreciate every, what Jason gives and what I give to Jason. So I don't think,
Oh, you know what? I think I don't know kung you can agree or disagree, pero I think ang nakikita ko sa inyo, kapag ka may mga issues kayo, I think you deal with things in a diplomatic way. Parang napaka-civil and diplomatic nyo. Parang gano'n. Hindi kayo barbaric. Na parang
I know if you want to go do your thing, and I respect that, and then I'll just wait until you're ready. Parang you don't want to just cling on too much.
so you give
Kasi yung goal ko kasi dito sa Chicago is I want to meet a lot of friends. I have friends in Maryland, sa Baltimore, and I left, and then they all moved out. They went places, and for you to enjoy living in a new place, you have to meet new people.
You have to continually meet people.
Your old friends, don't cling on. I say cling on to your old friends, but don't cling on too hard on them. Because sometimes, people change, and they have different ways of dealing things.
Yes.
And you don't want to, like yung mga friends ko, I love them, but sometimes when I saw them and meet them, it's a different feel. But the friendship is still there. So ang mas maganda is to build new ones, and then since we're all living in the same city, like Chicago, we have to get closer, get together occasionally, just to be happy, continue living.
Ayan, so, finished product. So, yan yung ref cake. Let's go!